Hi, this is Kapil Shrigiri. Welcome to my channel. This is how I deal with ADHD.
ADHD, or also called as ADD. ADHD mainly has two characteristics, features, or symptoms, as it says in the name itself. One is attention deficit, and the other one is hyperactivity. It's a attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or as it was called previously as attention deficit disorder. But then the name changed to ADHD, like as it is now. So in India, we do not consider mental health issues as disorders. So people usually do not take them seriously. Only physical health issues are considered more prominent, or only those are considered prominent, or only those are considered as disorders. It's very much important to talk about mental health issues also. Not only physical health, even mental health issues are much important to talk about.
The main and prominent symptoms of ADHD in me are like tapping of the feet constantly, excessive physical movements, unable to sit still, fidgeting, some other distractions than what I am doing currently, unable to complete a single task, lack of concentration, or unable to sit at the same place for a longer or even shorter. Here come some of the not so prominent symptoms in me. For example, excessive talking without any sense, or being short tempered all the time with anger issues. Then comes the depression, getting sad for no reason, anxiety attacks, frustrations, and most important, the mood swings, which I hate, and most importantly, procrastinating all the time. And you must be wondering like how I deal with my ADHD without medications. So I have some things that I do every day. For example, read a book. Currently, I am reading a book called Thinking Fast and Slow, written by Daniel Kahneman. Reading might not help to so many people, but read a thoughtful book that can improve your thought process. Instead of novels, try reading a book that can help you mentally and also physically. Avoid all the distractions, have some fruits. Having nutrition while reading helps a lot. Uninterrupted sleep for 7 to 8 hours is really necessary for anyone. I'm not a big fan of exercising, so I have my own way of dealing with my issues. So instead of exercising, I usually meditate a lot. That helps me calm myself. Or else, the other ways of calming yourself can also be expressing your thoughts. If you can do that, please do talk to your friends, or you can also talk to a psychiatrist instead of talking to yourself in your brain. Talk it out with your words. Do not be silent.
Although these kind of diseases are not that serious to consider, but there are so many mental health diseases you should be taking care of right now. So please do consult a doctor, a certified psychiatrist, or a mental health doctor, as you may call it. So do not diagnose or do not treat yourself at your home if it is serious and if you think it won't help. But for me, ADHD is not like you should definitely cure it. ADHD is something that can also be in a positive, that can also be a bonus, or that can also be a lucky thing if you have it. Like I get all with all these symptoms, I don't see any negative thing that is happening to me. So it's fine if you have it, but you can control it. There are so many available options, and that can be done at your home itself, that you can treat it yourself. But I do not recommend to you the same, because just because I am doing it, it does not mean you're supposed to be doing it.